Title: Did you know an octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood? Beneath the ocean waves lives one of the strangest and most intelligent creatures on Earth, the octopus. And its body is full of surprises. Unlike humans, an octopus doesn't have 1 heart. It has 3. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the 3rd heart pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the twist. When the octopus swims, that main heart actually stops beating. Even more unusual is its blood. Instead of being red like ours, an octopus has blue blood. That's because their blood is based on copper, not iron. Copper is better at carrying oxygen in cold, low-oxygen waters, the environments where octopuses thrive. But the strangeness doesn't end there. An octopus has no bones, which means it can squeeze through holes no larger than its beak. Each of its 8 arms is packed with powerful suckers, capable of tasting and feeling at the same time. And with one of the largest brains of any invertebrate, octopuses are masters of camouflage, problem-solving, and even escaping aquariums. 3 hearts, blue blood, flexible bodies, and remarkable intelligence. Octopuses are living proof that life in the ocean evolved in extraordinary ways. Backhand index pointing right, keep learning with us. Because in nature, the deeper you look, the stranger the truth becomes.